Welcome to Designer Digital's bi-weekly tip, February 8th, 2019. This week's step-by-step guide to loading and using layer styles in Photoshop Elements. Several of you have written recently to ask the best way to load and use Katie Petit's drop shadow styles in Photoshop Elements. These collections of custom shadow styles and outer glows add realism to your page elements with just one click. The product download includes an ASL file that you can load and use in Photoshop and Elements. Here's how to install and access these files in Photoshop Elements. Begin by downloading and unzipping the Shadow Styles file. Make a note of where you've saved the unzipped folder, and then you can hide or delete the zipped version. Open Photoshop Elements in Photo Editor mode, and then in the mode bar across the top of the screen when it opens, choose Expert Mode. Locate the Styles tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. It's here, or you can choose Window, Styles from the menu bar. This opens up the Styles panel. A drop-down menu at the top of the Styles panel contains all of the styles available to you. You can install the new file by clicking the Style Settings icon, which looks like a little line box with an arrow at the top right corner of the Layer Styles panel. This brings up a menu. In the menu, you'll want to choose Preset Manager. The Preset Manager allows you to add your unzipped purchased shadow styles. So on the right side of the Preset Manager dialog, click Add. At this point, you can browse your computer to locate the ASL file that you downloaded and unzipped in the first step. Select the ASL file and click Load. When the drop shadows populate in the preview here, click Done. Now the shadows are available to you to use on your pages. To try them out, open up a layered document. Select a page element like a button, flower, or frame that needs a shadow. Click the Styles at the bottom right corner beneath the Layers panel. From the Styles drop-down menu, choose Katie Petit Drop Shadow Styles Collection. The styles will populate in the preview box right below the menu, and then all you have to do is click once to apply the style to the selected element. You can even kind of click through and decide which one you like best and which one works for that particular element that you're working with. When you're happy with your selection, you can get back to the Layers panel by clicking Layers at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can use this method to load other layer styles into elements for use on your digital projects. Styles are a simple and non-destructive way to add effects to page elements, giving your project a more realistic and professional look. Thanks so much for watching this week's video, and be sure to check back in 2 weeks for another Designer Digitals tip.